Hello dear friends. Now you can see another selection of a massive product from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description box of the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell buttons. So let's go. Top 5 Best Hand Blender Review. Number 1. MUELLER Austria Hand Blender. MUELLER Austria Hand Blender Ultra Stick 500 Watt 9-speed immersion multi-purpose hand blender, heavy-duty copper motor, brush 304 stainless steel with whisk, milk frother attachments, is a multifunctional immersion blender that blends, whips, and purees with just a flick of the wrist. The brush 304 stainless steel base keeps the motor cool and elegant, while the durable stainless steel whisk makes mixing and stirring a breeze. The blending shaft and mixing head are ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand, while the stainless steel blades are ultra sharp and can blend the toughest ingredients with ease. The copper motor operates at 500 watts with 9 speeds and a turbo boost, so it's perfect for both commercial and home use. This appliance's extra long cord measures 109.3 to allow you to move freely throughout your kitchen while preparing food. It also comes with a whisk attachment for whipping cream, egg whites, and other liquid mixtures, as well as a spatula, cleaning brush, and recipe booklet. Number 2. Oven Hand Blender. The OVENTE HS560B 300-watt hand blender is the perfect kitchen tool that you'll need to cook meals and mix ingredients. This hand blender features 2 mixing speeds and comes with 2 mixing blades. It is the best kitchen tool that is used for making smoothies, soups, pureed baby food, mashed potatoes, whipped cream, and even more. This manual hand blender gives you the power to blend fresh ingredients faster than a traditional blender. It is also safer to use than a traditional blender, as you only need to hold it in your hand instead of having to worry about protecting yourself from the blades. Number 3. VBENLEM Hand Blender. One touch instant start, push the button to blend and release to style. Large capacity. 2L jar easily handles a whole fruit or vegetable and their juices. Great for mixing and blending. Ergonomic grip handle ensures maximum comfort while blending. Dishwasher safe component metal parts. Specially designed 15.7 stainless steel stick is 304 stainless steel with a smooth and seamless finish that won't corrode and stand out with a shiny mirror-like quality. The 15.7 stainless steel removable blade shaft measures more than 11.8 fully extended. The blade shaft is 5 mm in diameter and is made of 304 stainless steel. Removable blade shaft with individual enclosed housing to protect the internal components during operation. 15.7 stainless steel removable blade is extremely durable and can be removed for thorough cleaning. Number 4. Betty Crocker Hand Blender. Betty Crocker is renowned for its timeless tradition of baking guidance and expertise. In this Betty Crocker hand blender embodies the brand's commitment to the home chef. The product features a handheld, lightweight body with a unique, ergonomic shape and handle design that makes it inherently comfortable to use. In addition, the convenient hand blender boasts a beaker design which allows you to easily scrape every last bit of batter from the bowl, ensuring your dishes are consistently delicious. The beaker also comes with a comfort grip handle for easy gripping and pouring, and it's dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. Number 5. BRAUN Hand Blender. BRAUN's multi-quick 3-in-1 immersion hand blender, food processor and whisk is a complete hand blender set. At 500 watts and with a variable speed control, you can power through tasks in the kitchen using different speeds for different tasks, from blending soups to crushing ice. Its powerful motor gives you the power to chop and stir through the thickest recipes, so you can save time in the kitchen. With a handy measuring cup and 2-cup food processor bowl, you can make and store fresh ingredients in the same container. The food processor bowl features extra thick, non-slip grips, so you can hold it steady while you work. The whisk attachment allows you to whip up fluffy eggs and frothy milkshakes in seconds. The stainless steel blade is designed to withstand heavy use, so you can get your blending tasks done in a snap. This immersion hand blender also features a special safety feature that stops the blade from rotating when the unit comes into contact with the countertop, so you never have to worry about nicking yourself or the people you're cooking for. This convenient hand blender's cord wraps conveniently around its base for easy storage. Thanks for watching my video.